This is the scraps from the video that I'm going to cut now. This is from, let's get it here, this knife. This knife was much more harder to break, much harder to break. And then these scraps are from, and this scrap right here are from this knife, which I can't get the blade in. And I reprinted it 4 times in a row. And it did this every time I did support. So I don't really like this knife. And I even printed it this side too. And I don't really like this one. This one cuts much easier. Like, I really don't like this one at all. Like, this one right here is the worst knife I've 3D printed. And let's cut the scene right now where I'm trying to cut where I'm cutting with this knife. So in that video, you could see I cut open this box right here, this beautiful box with this knife. The reason you didn't see me cut open the box with this knife is because I couldn't get it to print properly. So what I'm going to do to this knife right now, I'm going to snap it in half. Oh, that piece bounced back. So that knife is very bad. Do not recommend printing this knife unless you guys can figure it out how to get this knife to print properly. Yeah, but I really do like this color of knife. And yeah, that's really all I wanted to say. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Please consider liking and subscribing. I'm probably going to post another video today about this tool again. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.